So today I'm going to test this turbo fan with Empire. You see, this is also 3D printed. The case is 3D printed, and then I have that Impala inside with a brushless motor, and the same here with the same part here. This is very light, and then have one AC controller here, and then have PWM controller. So yeah, let's just make it run and check the thrust of this fan or the turbojet. So keep like this so you can watch better. Yeah. Nice view for you. So let me connect this. So I hope that the motor is in the right direction. So I have this a little bit messy here, but I find a way. So this close, and then I have to connect so reduce the current. So let us start. So now low power, I increase the power, I put like 9 volts. Let me check again. Oh, good. Pushing my head, man.